Hello Pop-Uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. Here's another video of a pop-up card model that you can try at home. For today, let's do a pop-up rocket ship. Keep watching! First, let's draw a rocket ship and cut it out. You can design your rocket ship in any way you want. Pop-Uppers, please remember that this is just a model, so please don't mind the messy papers and dirty drawings. Next, let's put a big tab at the back of the rocket because we're going to put an astronaut inside. Cut a strip that is big enough to cover the hole. There is no exact measurement here, just make sure that it won't stick out of the rocket. Just simply fold at both ends and cut them in curve so that it will be hidden behind. Then, cut another little strip to put in the middle. This is our tab where we paste the little astronaut later. Again, there is no exact measurement. Just apply the simple folding you learned from our previous tutorials, or just follow the video. So, this is the 3D look of the astronaut inside the rocket ship. Let us now paste the rocket ship on the spread. If you haven't seen the video already on how to fold this, the link is in the description below. The folding is similar to the pop-up flower that I made before. Oh, I decided to replace the astronaut with a bigger one so that it would be much clearer. And also, the fold of the astronaut tab is inward. Okay, so let's paste the rocket ship on the spread again. I think it looks better now. Next is the smoke. Let's draw and cut some elements of smoke so to appear as if the rocket ship is taking off. You can put the pop-up smoke anywhere you want, but in order to make it pop up, we need to make tabs. This is the tab for the center smoke. These are the measurements. If you don't know yet how to make this tab, you can click the link of this video tutorial in the description below. You can be creative as to how you create smoke or how you put them as long as they pop up. In my case, I just make it simple with the use of simple mechanism of the tabs. My goal is not to make it complicated, just to make it look like 3D. That's why they are a little elevated. Okay, so here it is. You can always make some adjustments if some of the elements are not working so well. Okay, pop-uppers, this is our pop-up rocket ship model. Enjoy pop-ups! Thank you so much, pop-uppers. See you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless. Bye!